Welcome to the REI Foundation podcast, where we cover all the steps and strategies to make your real estate dreams a reality. Now your hosts, Jason and Peely.
Hi everyone, and welcome again to the Real Estate Investing Foundation with Jason and Peely. Today is Foundation Inspection Friday.
Which means that you've been checking in with us for the better part of 40, 50 weeks now for figuring 3+ episodes a week. And if you've listened to us, we'll say enough, you know we constantly are focusing on taking action, taking steps, focusing on this. And that's what we're going to talk about today.
Yes. So everyone out there, take action now. Whether you're just starting or whether you're into real estate and you have been for years, there's something I know that you need to take action on. So this is stemming from a conversation we had with a very old friend of mine. And he was saying that, you know, he watched New York City get built out, basically. And him and his friends are always shoulda, coulda, woulda. So we gave him whatever information that we had to give him for the hour we spoke. And at the end, I was just like, I took in everything that everything that he's doing. He's gone to the RIA meetings. He's read all the books. He knows, he knows people. He knows lawyers. He knows agents. He's a real estate agent. So the only thing that's stopping him from taking action is himself.
Taking action.
Yes. So you know who you are out there. We just spoke today. So you get out there and you take action. I'm calling you out on Facebook.
Here's your point. We just were with you, so you need to take that action step. And with that, there's always something else you can do. There's always another book you can read. There's always another teammate you can find. There's always another financier you can speak to. There's always another show you can watch. There's always one more thing you can do before you ultimately feel like you're ready. But at this point, real estate's just, it's a floating object. It's always adjusting. Times are changing. Things are adapting. And if you just find a task that you want to do, is a fix and flip, is a buy and hold, and just lock in on that and take some actionable steps to that, you'll find that your ball will start rolling a lot quicker than if you think that you're going to have this stampede happen once you have all the available information. Generally, you never get to the starting line because there's always one more book to read, one more person to talk to, etc.
There's so much information out there. And yes, we are firm believers that you should be talking to everybody. You should be networking. But as you're networking, as you're building your education, your knowledge, you need to start doing it. So this gentleman wants to get into mostly buy and holds, but he's also interested in fix and flips and wholesales. So I told him, if you know all three, then why don't you look at properties and see if you can find the exit strategies for one property, but to have all those exit strategies. I mean, that's the smartest thing to do, because you go into a property to wholesale it. But if you can flip it yourself and it doesn't end up wholesaling, then you can flip it yourself. Let's say it doesn't flip. Well, if you did your numbers right and you can hold on to it, then there's your end game. You can just hold on to it until one day you do want to let go of it.
Absolutely agree. And thank you for everybody who's reached out to us since our last put out there, for giving us more guidelines of what you're doing. We talked to some great fix and flippers, some buy and hold, some lease holdbacks, multifamily investors. It's been great to get to know you again. We want to know more about what you want to hear about. So again, reach out to us. You can find us at urusiholdings.com. Also find us on the REI Foundation podcast and also on the Facebook page, Urusi Holdings or the Real Estate Investing Foundation. So today's your day to take action. You have multiple opportunities to take action, whether that is go out there, find a property and make an offer, find a property, analyze the property, make a call to someone who's actively investing in real estate, or go to a RIA meeting. Go on Zillow, find properties in your area, what they're selling for, so you know what the renovated properties are selling for.
You know what? If you feel like you can't make that offer, then give another investor a call. Give them the lead. Let them know your numbers, and let them make the call. Maybe you partner up on this. So make sure it's somebody you know and know well that's willing to partner up with you. But maybe that's what you need. Maybe you need somebody to take you to the next level. So if you're in New Jersey and you're in that position, feel free to give us a call. We'll look at the numbers for you. We'll let you know if we think it's a solid deal. and we'll give you the push you need.
Yep, and the
If
truth
you-
is, you're probably going to be told no a ton, because if you're
Yes.
making the right offer, a lot of offers for properties that need renovation, that are as-is properties, that are fixer-uppers, that are probably in the wheelhouse of what you're looking for, are just overpriced right now. So you're going to hear a lot of no's, but keep doing it. No is good. It means you're on the right track. You're out there taking action, because it just takes, you don't need this multitude of yeses. You just need to go out there, make offers, and get the right property, and allow that to start your real estate journey.
Well, thank you so very much for listening. If there's anything we can do to help you, please contact us either on Facebook, give us a call. You have our information.
Call. Okay. Get on the
Well,
phone.
this is the Real Estate Investing Foundation with Jason and Peely. Thank you so much for listening. We are so very grateful.
Have a great weekend.
Bye now.
Bye.
Thanks for tuning into the REI Foundation podcast. Check back next time for more awesome tips and strategies to launch your new you in real estate.